Hey loves, it's me, Carmen Sweet. Welcome to my channel. If you're an oldie, welcome back. If you new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So today I'm coming to you with another serving of beauty and lifestyle. So I get many compliments on my skin, and I appreciate it, you guys. So I decided to show y'all my skincare routine. Protecting your skin is good self-care. Okay, y'all, so the cleanser I'm using is the Vino Clear Complexion Forming Cleansing Foam Wash. So we just start that off with wet face. I start off rubbing it in with my hand, and then I go in with a spin brush. Guys, if you don't have one, get you one. Your fingers can't do it all. Sometimes you need that really good nice cleaning to get deep down in your pores, help remove dead skin, just to give you a clear, clean, smooth canvas. Don't forget your neck, ladies. I use my cleansing products on my neck, so y'all make sure y'all don't forget your neck, behind your ears, and all that good stuff. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and give that a good rinse off, and we're gonna go ahead and pat dry our face. I'm going in with a exfoliant. So the exfoliant I'm using today is by The Ordinary. It's the AHA 30% and BHA 2% peeling solution. It's a 10-minute exfoliating facial. So it is important to make sure your skin is dry before applying the solution. So that's why you're gonna see me get a second napkin and pat dry my face, just to make sure all the water is kind of absorbed, to make sure my skin is absorbed on before applying the solution. I do not leave it on my face for a complete 10 minutes just because I have sensitive skin, so use to your discretion. To me, it does help. I feel like it will clear up, like if you have acne, if you have hyperpigmentation. To me, it is a great help. So I do want to show you here that after you have let it sit over time, it does get like tacky. So as you allowing it to dry down and sit and work, it doesn't move, it becomes tacky. So don't be alarmed. But with that being said, it is important to make sure you rinse it off very well. I have found that when you think you're done, do another rinse, like it does, because it's tacky and dry down. You do have to rinse it off pretty well. And again, after you rinse it off, pat dry your face just to make sure you're not leaving any residue behind. I always try to go in with a white paper towel or napkin, just so I can see if there's any more left on my face, just in case I need to give it a second rinse. So today we also going to do a face mask. I'm using the Neutrogena Radiance Boost Brightening Hydration Mask. So you just open up the package, take it all out, and then it comes in two pieces. There is a texture side, so I applied the texture side to my face so it wouldn't slide off, if that makes sense. And you're going to leave it on for 15 to 30 minutes. So the exfoliating peeling solution in the mask is not something I do every day. The exfoliate, this shouldn't be used no more than like depending on your skin, I would say 2 to 3 times a week. You could do the mask as often as you like, but this is just when I'm feeling an extra self-care day. This is something I'll do. I'll just take my time and do some extra steps in my face routine. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and remove this mask. So since it is still daytime, I am going to follow my daytime face routine for the remainder of this facial. So we're going to go in with a toner, and we're going to rub that toner in with the remaining products from the face mask. And as you guys see, I like to tap my product in and rub it in using my fingertips, just because your fingertips are more delicate than your hand and your skin is precious, so we want to treat it as such. So I do try to allow a little bit of time as I'm applying my different layers, just to give each layer time to absorb. I try not to rush the process, just to, you know, fan it in a little bit, just to give it a little bit of time. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some chapstick on my lips. Yes, we don't want dry lips in a moisturized face. We want everything to be moisturized. So after you apply your toner, you want to go in with your serums. So one serum I'm using today is the Mary Kay Tone Correcting Serum. And I'm also following up with another ordinary product, ascorbic acid 8 and alpha arbutin 2%. So I feel with this product, for me, it just feels better when I apply it to the palm of my hands and rub it together to warm it up before I apply it to my face. I don't know why. I just feel like that helps a bit. And I feel like this product has contributed to brightening and evening out my skin tone tremendously. I just want to give you a mid close-up. Look at her. She's glistening, y'all. Okay, so now we're going to follow up with our moisturizer by Aveeno Positivity Radiant Daily Moisturizer. This moisturizer does have SPF in it, but you're also going to see me still add an additional sunscreen on top of that, and that's because I use the peeling solution, and after using this, your face becomes very highly sensitive to light. So it is very important to make sure you use a moisturizer with the SPF in it. I will recommend adding an additional sunscreen on top of that, but yes, it is very important to do that. And it also says it on the bottle that it may increase your skin sensitivity to the sun, particularly to the possibility of sunburn. And melanated skin do need sunscreen to keep it healthy, to keep our skin tone even. All of that is important in your skincare routine. So last but not least, we're going to go ahead and add our eye cream. So y'all, I have 2 eye creams I'm just trying to get rid of. So you're gonna see me use 2 different eye creams under my eye. I'm still trying to find one that really works very well, because I do have dark under eye circles and I'm trying to work on that. That's my next thing I'm working on. So y'all have any suggestions, please put them in the comments. Help your sister out. So yeah, we just gonna take our ring finger and go ahead and rub those under the eye. You want to be delicate because under your eye is very fragile, very delicate skin there. So we're just gonna go ahead and use rub that and tap that in very well. Okay, love, so this is it. This was my skin care routine on my self-care day. Thank you for watching. Please like, please comment, please subscribe. Bye.